So we go through a lot of industry training. So the Institute of Inspection, Cleaning and Restoration certification, which is the IICRC, they hold a bunch of classes and they really hold the standards on how work gets done. I hold a certification for Master Fire Restorer, Master Water Restorer, and Master Cleaner. And that is just where I've attended and passed so many courses on carpet cleaning, tile cleaning, carpet repair, water damage, drying of a home, commercial water damage, health and safety, smoke damage, trauma cleanup. So there's just a mountain of classes that you take to really understand your industry to a whole that will make up that certification. I believe there's only around 1,000 restorers across the country that have that triple master certification, and it's something that we're very proud of here, and we really kind of dedicate our company to training all of our employees. So we send our employees to these IICRC classes too, so they can recognize hazards in the workplace and at someone's home. Like, the last thing we want to do is cross-contaminate somebody's home, get somebody sick. I have a child who has significant special needs. I have a wife who has an autoimmune disease, and we run every job as if my family was going to be living in that project.